Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a DOOGEE S98. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, press two pencil on the bottom, scroll down, find in this block here screen recorder button, then press and hold and drag to top like this for add. And for saving your top navigation bar, click back. Now find this button and press it. And before starting our screen recorder, on the left side we got microphone, so if you tap this position of microphone like blue, it's activate sound option, microphone sound, and like this white, it's turn off microphone sound. So and then you can start your screen recorder. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.